Hi there, welcome back. Now I have a soft spot.
Yeah, here.
No, I have a soft spot for the BMW 1 Series because it's the only rear-wheel drive hatchback. The only.
Ignoring me, huh? Well, it fits because when the 1 Series came to India, we ignored it.
Yes.
And why? Because, well, it looked like somebody hacked the boot of a 3 Series.
Doesn't matter because there's a new 1 Series at Frankfurt Motor Show where we are going to be getting you all the detailed coverage of all the cars from the show floor of International Automobil Ausstellung, and where we have sent our own rear-wheel drive motor mouth Mr. Abhik right out there to check out the all-new BMW 1 Series.
Yeah, but don't get too excited. There's no rear-wheel drive.
What on Abhik?
No, on the 1 Series. Abhik.
I don't know what those two are having in their coffee mugs out there, but unlike them, I have a job to do. So ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Frankfurt and say hello to the brand new BMW 1 Series. This is the third generation of BMW's premium compact. It's the miniest BMW in many senses because now it shares the same front-wheel drive architecture as the Mini.
Hey, Rohan, look. It looks like a hatchback, not a sedan with a rear-end disability.
Okay, I think it's better off if we let Abhik speak.
Thanks Rohan for having my back. So, the new 1 Series, it is shorter but wider and taller now and comes with a bigger kidney grille and options of all LED headlamps. The Hofmeister King features on the C-pillar while further back are all LED tail lamps. But this is a front-wheel drive now. The One offers a lot more space thanks to the new platform, but it's the usual BMW driver-focused cockpit with backlit trim bits, two 10.25-inch displays with gesture control, a panoramic sunroof, and a 9.2-inch heads-up display is what waits for you inside. The boot is large as well. The One offers 5 engines, 3 diesels and 2 petrols, ranging from 118 PS on the 116D all the way up to an exciting sounding 310 PS on the M135i. Now the M is an all-wheel drive and paired with an 8-speed automatic, it can manage a 4.8-second run to 100 kilometers an hour, going all the way up to 250 kilometers an hour.
Very nice indeed, but I still don't like that it doesn't get rear-wheel drive anymore.
Oh, never mind him. The 1 Series will come to India in 2020, and if for nothing else, because the Mercedes A-Class is just having too much fun here.
Oh yes, and the Mercedes A-Class, I mean, if you look at the pictures, it's for me a better looking car, and the fact that it will come up with an AMG version that will get 416 horses. 416
What
horses.
supplements are you taking here?
Supra supplements, but shut up. I'll deal with this guy later. After I wrap up this episode of our Michelin Motor Show updates, these updates are coming at you straight from the floor where Abhik happens to be at 2019 Frankfurt Motor Show.
I think that was a little soft. We should do it again.
Okay, we should.
No, you.